Hello everyone, welcome to my channel presented by Shweta. Do like, share and subscribe and comment below. I have already posted Geography Lecture 1 2 days ago. Now I am going to post my second lecture for Geography Optional. Now see the list of topics we are going to cover in today's lecture. The first one is references to cover syllabus. Second is recap of previous lecture. Third is why geography. Fourth is objective and nature of geography. Fifth is scope of geography. And the last topic for today's lecture would be origin and evolution of universal solar system, that is Earth. Okay, moving further. First we will see what are the various references to cover syllabus of the geography optional. So the first thing is basic, then second is reference book, third is atlas and the fourth is dictionary. In the basic reference books, we need to cover NCERT 6th to standard 10th old version, which will cover world regional geography. After covering basic 6th to 10th book, we will move to cover 11th to 12th new plus old NCERTs. And the third basic book for the optional geography is GC Lyon. In GC Lyon, there are two parts. So first part is important for optional. Now if we talk about references book, physical geography Savinder Singh, human geography Majid Hussain and biogeography Savinder Singh. In the market, you can find various books regarding various subjects or topics, but these are the basic requirements for completing the optional subject geography. Third is atlas. So we need three atlas: TTK School Atlas, Orient Black Swan School Atlas, Atlas by Study Today publication India's Mapping, and the last is dictionary. Yes, Penguin publication for physical geography and human geography. So these are the basic list of books which will cover the whole syllabus. Now recap of previous lecture. We have already learned the meaning of geography, that is abode of human being. Geo plus morphos equal to geography, that is description of the earth. And branches of geography, physical, human and biogeography. And we have seen the further classifications of physical, human and biogeography on the basis of systematic approaches. Okay, now move further. The first question in every UPSC aspirant, that why geography optional? So there are various reasons you must opt geography optional. The first is number one optional in UPSC examination. Second, geography as an optional subject most preferred. Third, geography as a subject has maximum GS coverage. Fourth, geography as an optional subject has a high scope. Fifth, geography as an option with highest number of candidates appeared. Geography has returned marks with 400 plus in IS mains. Geography has definite syllabus which you can cover in about 6 months. Geography as an optional subject has most remarkable result. So that is why you must opt geography optional. Now, geography, objective and nature. Geography in daily life, we see or we talk about climate, weather. So yeah, geography is very useful in daily life. Second, development of geography, scope of geography, approaches to study of geography, geography and society, methods and techniques of geography, branches of geography, geography as interdisciplinary subject. In this objective and nature, we have already covered the approaches to study of geography, method and techniques of geography we will cover in the later lecture. Branches of geography we have already covered in the previous lecture. So in this way, we will move to each and every topics lecture by lecture. Okay. Now, scope of geography. Why we're talking about scope of geography? Because scope of geography defines us how geography is different from other subjects. So geography is an integrating discipline. It helps in understanding the reality in its spatial perspective. Second, geography is about man-environment relationship. The third, it is organization and synthesis of contents which make Earth as home of man. Next, origin and evolution of universal solar system Earth. So here we are going to start the topic origin and evolution of universal solar system. This is not this is not belongs to syllabus, but yes, we have to start from here, and after two three more lectures we will cover or we will start syllabus. So origin and evolution of universal solar system says a large number of hypotheses, concepts and theories have been propounded by different philosophers, scientists regarding the origin of solar system in general and Earth in particular. Scientific concepts on the basis of number of heavenly bodies involved in the origin of the solar system and Earth. So there are three groups on the basis of scientific concepts. One is monastic concept, second is dualistic concept, and the third is binary star concept. In monastic concept, only one heavenly body is involved. In dualistic concept, two heavenly bodies are involved. And in binary star concept, two or more than two heavenly bodies are involved. So this is the first things we must know about origin and evolution of universal solar system. So that's all for today, and we will move further in the next lecture, and we will see the basic terminology of the geography first, which will give you the prerequisite things to learn the geography. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much once again.